You too, you too. Look at him, you too. Yes, sir. And that's it. You too. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see it. There it is. How you doing today, sir?
That's about it.
That's it, man. Look here, man. When you're good and you do what God wants you to do, man, you can do that. That's official. That's official right there. But check it out, YouTube. What year is it? 2012. It's a
I got it. I totally just rebuilt it.
totally rebuilt the whole thing. Yeah, it's been very beautiful, man.
It's been a 10-pound lot for 7 years.
7 years. It was waiting on you.
And I found it. I took it, totally rebuilt it.
That's it. It was sitting waiting on you to get it.
Waiting on me to get it.
Wow.
I took it and put it in my garage and just rebuilt the whole entire car.
Hey, that's it right there, YouTube. Y'all hear him, man. But look here, YouTube. I just wanted to show y'all that right there. This your boy Toni coming back at y'all. So we gonna holler at y'all. Y'all listen what he listening to. Okay, that Tupac. I old school, take care, man. We'll be back in a minute, YouTube. Look at him. Yes, sir. Y'all know what time it is, YouTube. YouTube. Y'all ever seen one of them before, man? Y'all ever seen that? YouTube. That's nice, man. That thing nice.